Hi, welcome back to another 123 Dream It video. In today's video, you're going to see how to cut the bias easily. You'll need a cutting mat and an ironing surface. We're using the 2-in-1 portfolio by Omnireed, 23 inches by 1 meter width of any fabric, universal ruler, scissors, pins, chalk wheel, a thread of the color of the fabric, universal needle for the sewing machine. As a tip, we recommend you to use the Schmetz brand. Standard foot. This time, we're using the bias tape marker kit of the Leaf brand, which includes an awl, ballpoint pins, adjustable bias binder foot, bias former for 1, 3/4, 1/2, and 1/4 inches, and an iron. First of all, you have to extend the fabric and fold the corner. Align the edges till having a triangle shape. And repeat the step to the other side. You'll obtain a diamond shape like this. And now, fold by the half. Take your universal ruler and mark every 2 inches to use the 1-inch former bias. Then, cut the fabric following the mark. When cutting, don't mix the pieces of fabric. Remember, all the tools we're using are from Casa Diaz. To sew, you have to pin in the order that you cut the fabric. Place the first and second piece in an L shape as we show you on the video. Then, continue with the other side with the second piece and join it to the third piece. Some of these L's will be mirrored. Sew the unions with the same color thread as the fabric. We recommend you to have a 1/2 inch of distance. Now open the L and you'll obtain a perfect strip. Iron to flat the seams. Remember, these measure strips are for the former bias of 1 inch. To use the former bias of 1/4 inches, it's necessary to make 1/2 inch measure strips. For the former bias of 1/2 inches, make 1 inch strips. For a former bias of 3/4 inches, make 1.5 inches strips. And for a former bias of 1 inch, make 2 inches strips. This way, you have a perfect bias strip for your sewing projects. And that's all. Now you'll learn the way of how to cut the bias in an easy way. If you watched this video, don't forget to give us like, share, and go to our website 123dreamit.com.